Okay, so I'm just going to continue on with the ECDL syllabus document. So I need to close that down and go back and select the one that I was working on a minute ago. So I'm just going to open up the courses and offer again. And you can see this is how far I'd got. So I'm going to open up a Google Docs and I'm going to continue editing that particular document. So I'm down here and I've put a note in there for you to remind you to do things. So ICT fundamentals, and I'm just going to create a bit of space here between the headings. Okay, so I think I've had that heading 2, and I think I did heading 1 there. That's fine. So I need to find an appropriate picture for this. So I'm just going to copy that piece of text, come up here again and search for it. Now there might be something on the ICDL page that I can use, but I'm just going to click on images and I can choose any of these fancy images, or I can come over here onto the ICDL page and let's see what they have. Okay, so essential skills, right? So they've got this mind map, but not any nice logos. So I'm going to create my own logos. So I might actually use this one. I like that. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy the image and I'm going to paste it in there. Okay, so I can make it smaller. I can wrap the text. I can pull it over here and that looks quite good. I like that. Okay, so then this is heading 2. I'm going to do the same here, using email and the internet. So I'm going to just copy it, paste it in the top here, search for an image. Okay, and let me see, email and the internet. Okay, so let me see if I can just find some nice picture. All right, that's quite good. I like that one. So I am going to copy that, come over here to my courses, paste it in there, make it smaller, come back up, wrap the text, bring it over to the side. And the other thing I can do is I can ensure that these are all the same. Now I'm actually on an inch. I'm on an inch thing there, so I need to change that as I go along and change this to centimeters. But I'll do that later on. I'm just going to keep going here now. I'm going to choose security for IT. Come over here, go up to the top. Security for IT. Like that one, that'll do the job. I don't want to save the image. I don't need to save these. So I'm going to copy the image back to the doc, paste it in, make it smaller. There it is. Wrap the text and then just drag it over onto the right hand side. I'm going to bring word processing now down onto the next page. So I'm going to press Control and Enter to create a new page. And here we have word processing, heading 2. Okay, copy the text, search for an image for word processing. I'm just going to have Word because I want the logo. I quite like the Word logo, so this will do the job quite nicely. Copy the image, back over, come down to word processing, and then make the image smaller. Okay, so there's a bit of excess there, so I'm going to crop that. So I'm going to click on Crop Image, and like in Word, what I do is just literally crop the image in. So just pull in the space around the image and get rid of all of that free space. We don't need it. Now I can wrap the text, bring it over here, and a nice word processing icon, and I can make it smaller if I want. The next one is spreadsheets, and then I do the same for spreadsheets, presentation, and database. Okay, so spreadsheet heading 2. So I'm going to be gone again in 29 seconds. Okay, so if you actually scroll down to the document, this would be about add-ons. Okay, so you can get add-ons here, so I can have a heading. This can be heading 2, the add-ons, and then it tells you all about the ECDL web editing. And if that's kind of like a list, then what we can do is we can just bullet point the list. Okay, thanks.